Hi everyone. So in this video I am going to explain about patterns like a cross pattern, a slash pattern, backslash pattern, forward slash pattern, a combination, cross pattern and all. How can we display these type of patterns? Already we know the skeleton because in this series of videos, in the last two videos clearly I explained about how to represent the information in two-dimensional format using the nested for loops, where outer loop represents the number of rows, inner loop represents the number of columns. First one, I just want to display this slash. How can we display the slash? So normally, suppose here, if you just give that points, whenever we are connecting all these points, then automatically this slash will print. So where we need to display the star exactly? See, look at this. When I value equals to 1 and j value equals to 1, at intersection we need to display that star. Next, I value is a 2 and j value is a 2 here. I value 3, j value 3 here. I value 4, j value 4, I value 5, j value 5. Like this we need to display the pattern. So simply we can write when I value equals to j value. When both are equal, then automatically at intersection points all the stars will print. Now in the same way, I just want to display this backslash. Consider. How can we display this slash? Observe this. Now here intersection points, this one, this one, this one, like this intersection points are there. Now observe this. This intersection point, when I equals to 1, j equals to 9. When I equals to 1, j equals to 9. That second star, when I equals to 2, j equals to 8. When I equals to 2, j equals to 8. Next one, when I equals to 3, j equals to 7. Right, suppose, see, look at this, based on this we will create one formula. Whenever you are adding I, j, 1 plus 9 is a 10, 2 plus 8 is a 10, 3 plus 7 is a 10. Simply, when you are adding I and j, that value is equals to 10. I plus j equals to 10. We are performing this one, or simply you can write j equal to 10 minus I. Any formula will work. If you want to display this slash, we are using simply I equals to j. That is the first pattern. If you want to print only this slash, this one, so that is I plus j equal to 10. Now, I just want to print cross. Both slashes I want to print, either I equals to j or I plus j equals to 10. Then the cross will print. Now suppose if you want to print this pattern, simple, we need to add two more conditions. This we have already discussed, that when I equals to 1 and I equals to 9. So according to this, simply add I equals to 1 or I equals to 9. For 4, all the 4 conditions we apply. So then it will be displayed. So please try one by one. Hope you understood. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.